Hey, to change default browser on the Windows 11, first of all, you will have to move into the taskbar and click on the Windows Start. Now go to the settings, and from here you will have to navigate on the left side into the apps, then go to the default apps and select the search apps. Now we have to input the name of the browser that you want to actually activate or turn off as default browser. So let's say that I want to change from the Edge to the Chrome. So I have to input Edge phrase. I have to click on the Microsoft Edge with the left mouse button. And now I can set the default file types or links to open in Microsoft Edge. Or if I click with the left mouse button, I can select any other browser. So that's how I can do this. I can manually actually switch anything that I want. If there's like actually no the Google Chrome, you can actually click here, browse apps in the Microsoft Store, or choose an application on your PC. So we can manually navigate and select this application. You can also do this by going to the Microsoft Store. And that's how you can change the default browser on your Windows 11. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.